Hello family, welcome to my channel. Miss Dosha here. Today we are going to traditionally cook mabungulia. Kindly, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, like, comment and share it to your friends. Let's get into it. Straight away, mom will start by slicing mabungulia into sizes of her choice. Let me know in your village how you call them. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. In our village, mabungulia can act as vegetables or ingredients. She will then go ahead to wash and place them in the pots. When adding water for it to boil, always add very little water. She will then proceed to put the pot on fire and give it some time for it to cook. Let me know in your village how you cook mabungulia. I will start preparing my ingredients, and today's ingredients is tomato, onion, green pepper, carrots and coriander. Let me know in your village what you really use. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. Quickly, I will start by slicing them. Always remember to wash your ingredients just before you slice them. We will then finalize by grating the carrots. This is mabenda, okra. Let me know in your village how you call it. The mabungulia is well boiled. Straight away, I will place my pan on fire. It is important to give your pan some time for it to dry just before you place the cooking oil. This is green pepper and onions. I will then go forward and add tomato. Always give good time for the tomato to cook just before you add other more ingredients. Let's add the carrots. This is mabenda. Let's stir it. Let's add the powdered ingredients. mdalasini, vinzari nyembamba, iliki, and finally turmeric. In our village, a good number plant mabungulia. This is first class coconut milk. We'll then go ahead and add salt. It is now the right time to add mabungulia. And the aroma is the best. I will then go forward and cover it and give it some time for it to cook. Let me know in your village how you cook your mabungulia. Drop a sweet comment for you, girl. Quickly, I will cut coriander. Remember, we are in Giriama land, coastal Kenya, Africa. Kindly, if you've not subscribed to my channel and yet to put your notification bell on for you to be notified when a new video is up, please do so, like, comment, and share it to your friends. Remember, at Miss Dosha's family, we always remind you to be your own kind of successful beauty.